welcome to my assembly today, which, as you can see by the video that will be playing during the start of this in the background here, is World Earth Day. So today we're going to be talking about some of the things that you've done already, and some of you might have seen already that I have posted a video from Rania and Katerina, who have produced something that you can all watch, all about the Earth and some facts they've made, which is brilliant. So hopefully you've watched some of that. And as I say, in the background here are some pictures about the things that are happening to our Earth that we need to try and help with. So I'm going to talk about that today, and we're going to have a chat through some things. Thank you to the people who've sent in lots of the different things for me to help out as well. Okay, Harry, can we stop the video there? That video is on YouTube. Please, if you want to carry on watching it now, just go onto YouTube, type in World Earth Day, and there's lots of different videos there. If you type in World Earth Day for kids, there's a good YouTube video as well that you can watch for children. Right, Harry, could you just bring up the sun, earth and moon part? There we go. Okay, so we are going to talk a little bit about the science about the Earth, the sun and the moon, and we're also going to talk about World Earth Day and how we can do things to help our Earth and our planet as well. So, Harry and Finn, can you come up at this point, please? Boys, are you okay? Finn has got the sun here, and there is the sun, as you can see in the background as well. Boys, if you just move a little bit to the side so we can still see the, oh yes, it's actually perfect there. And Harry, there's your bit there. Tell them about that, Harry. What is that you've got there?
I've got the Earth and it's compared to the sun. Right,
and the Earth is compared to the sun there. You can see the difference in size. It's about 100 times smaller than the sun. The sun is 100 times bigger than the Earth itself. And Harry, do you want to just go and do your next bit?
And the Earth orbits the sun.
So there's the Earth orbiting the sun. So Harry is orbiting there. Now, as well as orbiting, and here is a big Earth. Remember, this is just a big Earth here. This is spinning on its axis 365 and a quarter times per year. So, thank you boys for that bit there, Finn. Thank you for the sun. Don't break my sun. Thank you. Brilliant. Right, sit down. So, Harry, would you just press the slide there, please, for me? Here we go. So, if Harry presses next on the slide, it will show. There we go. So it shows there the slide. You can get this. This is Manchester University children, and I put the link on the PowerPoint that you have got as well. So it's good this because there's lots of facts and things you can look at as well. It talks about day, night, sunrise, sunset, shadows, phases of the moon, lots of things like that that you can have a look at. So this one's particularly good because it shows the spins of the 365 and a quarter spins going round year by year, and it gives you the months as well down there, which is fantastic. Now, I have had some really good facts brought in about the Earth, and I'm going to read just a couple of those now. So Sophie on her fact file talks about the fact that the Earth actually spins 1,000 miles per hour, and obviously it takes 24 hours, one day, to make one rotation, which is really good. So that actual spin of the Earth there is 1,000 miles per hour, which is a great statistic. And its diameter, so the diameter from one side of the Earth to the other, is 8,000 miles. So the Earth's diameter is about 8,000 miles as well. So two really good facts from Sophie there. Thank you, Sophie, for those. Another fact here, this is from Toby's fact file, is the Earth's temperature is about 15 degrees. And we're talking about temperature an awful lot. It's important that we keep our Earth's temperature at a certain level and we look after our Earth, and that's what we're talking about today in our World Earth Day. It's all about climate change and looking after our Earth as well. And an interesting fact that's come from Toby, but also from Sophie as well, is that the Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. So quite old, the Earth, 4.5 billion years old. Lots more facts from those people as well, so thank you for that. And finally, I have some facts here from David as well. Thank you to David. I didn't mention David yesterday, but he has put together a fantastic fact file. And he's only in year one, David, which is absolutely amazing. So he talks a little bit more about the oceans because he was interested in that. And he said the Pacific Ocean is a really peaceful ocean. We've already said that 71% of the Earth's surface is made of water, but the Pacific is very calm and peaceful, which I like. That's a good fact. And he also said that the Atlantic is between America and Europe, where we live as well. So that's the Atlantic Ocean. That's between America and Europe. So 2 fantastic facts there from David as well. So thank you to the people who've put their facts forward. Thank you to Katerina and Ranias as well. You can watch their videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, Harry, would you move on to the next slide about the Earth, please? Thank you. So there is the Earth spinning and the Moon going around the Earth, orbiting the Earth as well. So here is my Earth and the Moon orbits around there, and that's called a lunar month, which is 28 days a lunar month. Rocket's joined us for this part here. The Earth is about 4 times bigger than the Moon. Okay, Rocket, are you okay? Move on, Harry, please. Right, so just a very short presentation there. You can have a go at this. There's some facts as well, and then there also is at the end there's a little bit of a quiz that you can do, and you can do that for shadows, day and night, planet ordering, phase of the moon, lots of fun activities for you to do on the childrensuniversity.manchester.ac.uk. So the link is on the PowerPoint, which we're going to look at now. Harry, would you bring up the PowerPoint, please? So as I mentioned, today is World Earth Day. It's about caring about the world, and it's particularly about looking at climate change today. So we're going to have a quick look. You just go to the top corner there, Harry, and just start the PowerPoint for me. Thank you for that. There we go. Okay, so World Earth Day 2020. Move on to the next slide, please, Harry. Thank you. So, I've put some information on here about World Earth Day, the history of it, that it started 50 years ago. This is actually the 50-year anniversary today. And it was started in America, where 10% of the population actually took to the streets and colleges to try and find a way forward to help our planet. The first Earth Day was sort of a revolution. It was a new thing, and it was about helping and looking after our planet that we live on. And that sometimes some of the things that we do actually doesn't help the planet and destroys it. You might have seen, and there's pictures out there at the moment of things like the waters at Venice being completely clear, and you'll be able to see jellyfish going through it because none of the boats and none of the activity that we do as humans that's stopping the water from moving, none of that's happening. So you can see today, you might have seen the pictures of England and over London that shows that because we are not using cars and all the pollution at the moment, because we're all inside staying in, how clear the skies now are. So we are not helping our Earth. So this movement was about looking after our planet. Harry, next slide, please. So what are you doing? The theme for this this year is Earth Day 2020 is climate change. So it's a big challenge for us to look after our planet. It's the biggest challenge for our future, and we need to make sure that we look after and we care about our planet. I would love to see some of the things that you found out today, so you can send me them if you wish, if you do any fact files again, or if you just find some information, that'd be great. I would love to see the things that you've been finding out today. There's lots of information on the World Earth Day 2020 website. Lots of information, there's lots of things you can see today. Harry, move forward with it, please. Okay, so the result of the first World Earth Day was that there was different laws brought in the US, but also around the world as well, to make sure we had clean air, clean water. We look after animals, and we protect our world as well. So you can visit today, earthday.org and have a look at some of the things that are going on there. There's lots of different things, because they usually do lots of talks and lots of activities around the country. That has stopped it today because obviously everyone needs to stay in, look after themselves, stay safe. But they're doing lots of online things, so you can watch lots of different videos online. So have a look at that website. And what can you do to help? You can use less electricity, you can try and turn lights off when you're around the house, you can recycle, you can care about the planet and the animals, and you can just do your bit to help if you can. It's about being aware and thinking about the planet, the amazing planet which we live on, which looks after us, which makes sure we're alive and looks after us. I know it's difficult times at the moment with the things that are going on, but we still need to remember to look after our world and our community and our planet as well. Okay, so Earth Day 2020. You can go onto YouTube, there's Earth Day for Kids, and there is the links at the bottom. So, you've got a presentation to look at. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you very much. See you soon.
Is it with my birthday?